Whether you have one kitchen or others in multiple locations, the requirements are increasing everywhere. The new menu plan must be rolled out every Monday from today onwards. Hygiene is more than decency. Oh, bless you. It is a matter of legislation. Everything must be monitored and documented, and yet the quality must not go down. And suddenly, you wonder, why can't I manage recipes and cooking programs digitally? Is the chicken actually cooked to 88 degrees? Does anyone have an overview at all? The solution is connected cooking. With digital access to all rational cooking systems and services, you will always have quality and hygiene standards under control. Simplify workflows inside and outside the kitchen. Save money, time, and stress. Are you ready for the next step?